Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the OmegaGreed YouTube channel where we do a bunch of fun things with cars and we learn how to work on all the cars together. In today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. I want to show you guys really quickly. I'm going to show you guys my office setup, what it kind of looks like, just because I realized in the last video I did when I showed like my work from home setup, I didn't really show my actual desk in the office and everything like that. So I figured this is going to be a quick video showing the office, showing everything, like what's a work from home setup look like. This is my work from home setup. Hope you guys like it. And yeah, so enjoy this video.